Hello and welcome to X-Geo, to learn Spanish. Here we'll provide you with daily lessons to become fluent in Spanish in less than 60 days. Subscribers to our channel can watch all of our daily lessons for free. We recommend that you start with our Day 1 lesson and continue from there. You can find all our daily lessons by clicking on our channel link below. It's recommended that you listen, speak, read, then write, while speaking, for the most effective education. First, we'll speak the word in English, then we'll speak the word twice in Spanish. Try to repeat with us the second time. Then, watch this video a second time and write each of these words in Spanish while speaking them aloud. Be sure to subscribe.
Asegúrate de suscribirte. Gracias.
Now, let's get started. Today, we'll be teaching you 35 workshop words in Spanish. Pliers,
Alicates. Alicates.
washer,
Lavadora. Lavadora.
drill bit,
Broca. Broca.
router,
Enrutador. Enrutador.
toolbox,
Caja de herramientas. Caja de herramientas.
chisel,
Cincel. Cincel.
nails,
Clavos. Clavos.
glue,
Cola. Cola.
utility knife,
Cuchillo. Cuchillo.
screwdriver,
Destornillador. Destornillador.
sawdust,
Aserrín. Aserrín.
workshop,
Taller. Taller.
stapler,
Grapadora. Grapadora.
tools,
Herramientas. Herramientas.
saw blade,
Hoja de sierra. Hoja de sierra.
sander,
Lijadora. Lijadora.
wrench,
Llave inglesa. Llave inglesa.
wood,
Madera. Madera.
hammer,
Martillo. Martillo.
workbench,
Mesa de trabajo. Mesa de trabajo.
metal,
Metal. Metal.
tape measure,
Cinta métrica. Cinta métrica.
sandpaper,
Lija. Lija.
clamp,
Abrazadera. Abrazadera.
hacksaw,
Sierra de arco. Sierra de arco.
saw,
vio, vio,
Circular saw.
sierra circular, sierra circular,
Bandsaw.
sierra, sierra,
Table saw.
sierra de mesa, sierra de mesa,
Jigsaw.
sierra de calar, sierra de calar,
Board.
tabla, tabla,
Tacks.
tachuelas, tachuelas,
Drill.
perforar, perforar,
Bolt.
cerrojo, cerrojo,
Screws.
tornillos, tornillos.
That completes the vocabulary lesson for today. We recommend repeating this video and writing each of these words while speaking them out loud. Next, you should watch today's sentences, followed by today's conversation. Be sure to subscribe to watch all of our English to Spanish lessons.